Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use green screen using Camtasia Studio. So let's get started. This is our sample green screen video. A lot of people do like to use green screen because they can put any nice background behind them. Now we change the background of this video. To do this, click on Visual Effect tab. Here you see a Remove Color visual effect. Just drag this in Canvas or drag it in your media track. From the Color section, select this pen tool and just click in this green background. Now our green background removed. To add a new background of this video, just select your background and put this background under this video track and scratch it over this video. Let's play how it looks.
Have the company you are with treated you badly? Tell us about it. No, really. Tell us about it. It's why we're here. Black box insurance reviews are fast becoming one of the top.
So in this way, we can easily remove green screen background and add a new background using Camtasia Studio. Let's see another example. I remove all of this track. Now we drag aeroplane sample video. If you want to add sky type things in background, this is very much possible. To do this, simply click Visual Effect, click Remove a Color and drag it into your track, and then click on Color, select Pen tool, then click anywhere of this background. Now our background is removed. Now we add a video as our background. To do this, import a sample background. And you scratch it like this. Let's play the whole video. So in this way, we can easily remove green screen background and add new movable or static background using Camtasia Studio. Thanks for watching.